In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use search and replace with AI and Cursor to update your code faster and smarter. First, open your project in Cursor and highlight the code you want to modify, or place your cursor in the file you want to work on. Next, open the AI chat panel and describe what you want to change. For example, you can say, replace all var with let, or update this function to use async/await. Cursor AI will analyze your code and generate the updated version with the replacements applied. You can also be more specific, like find all instances of this function and rename it, or refactor this block to use modern syntax. Review the suggested changes, then apply them directly or copy them into your file. This approach is much more flexible than traditional search and replace because the AI understands context, not just exact matches. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.